Hello, you're welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial today I'm going to be teaching you on how you can create auto caption for your video. Creating auto caption like you're seeing on the screen right now, it's really important for your videos because it helps people understand your video better. It really help make your video engaging and really professional. So if you want to be creating such professional videos, you have seen it somewhere, either the videos can be on portrait or on landscape mode. If you add auto captions on it, it's going to be really engaging, and a lot of people will understand the message that you are passing to them quickly and easily. So we're diving into the tutorials on how you can do this with your smartphone. You don't need to have a laptop to get this done. If you have a smartphone, you are good to go. I'll be showing you the apps and showing you the procedure on how you can create this. A lot of people have seen me create such videos. Either I created for my Instagram post, my WhatsApp post, TikTok, and they are like, oh, I want to learn this. This is one of the reasons why I am doing this tutorial. For those of you who are new to my channel, you are welcome to this channel. My name is Coach Kevin, and on this channel I teach several ways that you can make money online leveraging on digital basically with your smartphone and internet connection. But if you have a laptop, it is an added advantage. So let's dive into creating the tutorials now. So hello, the app that we're going to be using for this is called capcut. Let me type it here, capcut. You can see the app. If you're an Android user, you can get this app on Play Store. Can you go to Play Store and type capcut? When you type capcut, you're going to see it here. So I already typed it here, so you see it here. And when you have the app, what you need to do is to open it. Just click open it. You can see a lot of projects that I've done here so far. There are a lot of things I've been doing on this app. It's a really wonderful app because it has loads of premium resources on it. In this video is just for the purpose of doing auto caption. So if you want to really know how to navigate and do the app, I'll be dropping another video, or probably I've even dropped the video already. You could check the channel for it, where you learn how to do amazing things with this app. So let's get started. If you want to get started to add auto caption, what you need to do is to click on new project. So when you click on new project, you look for the video that you want to put. You can see a lot of videos are here that I already have here. So I'll just look for the one that I want to add here. I'll look for the one I want to add. So I'm adding this one, this particular one. So this is a very long video, but I want to cut it short. So to cut it short, I'll cut it short. I'll just click on it and go to the end of the video, or just cut the part I want to. So I just need about 30 seconds of the video, so that just to describe what I want to, the information I want to pass. So I'll click on split. If I click on split, I'll cut this off and delete the other one. So this is the video that I want to edit now. I want to show you on how to add auto caption. So the first thing you need to do is to create your video. After creating your video, then you bring it to this app to add auto caption, whether the video is on portrait mode or it's on landscape mode. So this is what you're seeing here. It's a landscape mode video. So probably let me check if I'm going to see any portrait mode video to show you. Any portrait mode video. Okay, yes, this is a portrait mode video because it's on portrait. So this is a portrait mode video. And then you can also edit something like that and add caption to it. Different kind of caption that you add. Let me just I'm going to check if I would see any other video that I've added caption. Like you can see, this was the video of my birthday. I wrote thanks for celebrating with me, and there was auto caption on it.
Hi guys, this is Coach Kevin here.
So as I was talking,
hi guys, this is Coach Kevin here.
So
right now I want to thank
you can see the auto caption.
Happy birthday yesterday.
So as I'm talking, the caption is coming out. So this is really important. Like I've said, it helps to make your video really engaging, and people get to understand your video very well. There are some persons who see your video on social media. They are not probably with their earphone at that time to listen to it, but if they can read it, they get your message, and it makes your video really professional. A lot of people really want to know about how to do this that you're about learning now, and now I'm showing you this using this app, this amazing app. When I discovered this app, I was so glad because it can do great things. So I have just 30 seconds of this video now, and I want to add auto caption to it. So it's so easy. What you just need to do, click on this audio. Are using this audio, sorry, click on text. Are using text, then you then see auto captions there. You see auto captions there, then you click auto captions and click on start. Ensure your data is on. So you click on start. When you click on start, it's going to generate the auto caption for you. Look at it, so easy and simple. I know some of you might be wondering that why are things like this so easy, and maybe you are not getting it because you don't have the knowledge yet. You don't know. So you can see this is it already. It has brought out the auto caption already, but now there are some few editing that you need to do so that your auto caption will be showing very well. Your auto caption will be showing very well. So what you need to do now is that you click to edit this. So click on it. If you want to edit it, just click and hold it and drag it. So this, when you drag it, it's going to be showing very well. Then you play it. So just play it.
Hi, hello guys, you're welcome to this tutorial, and in this video I'm going to be
so you can see it is too big here. It is too big here. So what you want to do, the wordings are too big. You click on it and you make some adjustments. Click edit, then you turn this to, that is, take it to the second step. So you can see I'm editing it individually very easily. This is also too long, so you do the same thing. You just drag it this way, click edit and make it double. So you can see how I'm doing it. It's very easy.
You can make between 100 to 150k monthly.
So, and the app, it uses artificial intelligence to pick what you're saying. So different people with different intonations. So some people, the way they pronounce things, probably they pronounce it in the way that the artificial intelligence gets what you're saying. That is, it's actually in the diction of the of the software. But if what you're saying is not in the diction of the software, it's going to write something else. For instance, take what I said here. Look at it on how you can make between 100 to 150k monthly. I said, I didn't say model. So let's see,
100 to 150k monthly.
Yes, I did not say model. So I did not say model. So what you need to do is to click on this and click on edit. So you edit, then you type edit this to be monthly. So you see what you can do now. There are some other editing that you can do here. So just go ahead. Let me just quickly do this. Then you can also do batch edits. That is, you edit everything in batches. So look at batch edits here. It's at the end here. Let me show you. Look at batch edit here. Then you click batch edit. When you click a batch, it means everything that was written, you can just quickly edit everything. So read, hi, hello guys, welcome to this tutorial, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you on how you can make between 100 to 150k monthly just using your smartphone and internet connection. What's this business about? This is a very unique business model that anyone can do from the comfort of their home, not from the comfort of their home. So you can see comfort of their home, so OME. Then I want to edit this to be from the comfort of their home. So are you seeing what's happening here? So I want to make this to be double. So you click OK. So from the comfort, just your smartphone. This business model is about selling internet data. Data is one of the commodity, not community. I guess you can see it. It's one of the commodity, not community. So commodity. Okay, that everyone in the world. Okay, this is so. You then turn this to become double. So click enter, so it can separate. I guess you can see now you have done this batch update. Just click OK. Now there are some other formatting you can do on this app. There are some other formatting you can do. Which other formatting? You click on style. Look at style here. I just clicked on style. Then you click on this style here. You click on canvas. So canvas, it helps you add the background on the text. So I want to add the background on the text. You can see, and this background I like to add corner radius. I like to increase the height. I like to increase the width. So when you're talking now, you can see how it is. So you can see how it is. Then I like to reduce the opacity also. So I guess you can see this. So let's play it and see how it shows.
Hi, hello guys, you're welcome to this tutorial, and in this,
so you can see this is really looking professional, just like those movies that you're seeing, and people are able to get what you're saying. If you want to make this smaller, just reduce this to be smaller, because what you're saying doesn't have to be too loud, but people just have to see what you're saying.
Hi, hello guys, you're welcome to this tutorial, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you
so I'm playing it now.
You can make between 100 to 150k monthly just using your smartphone and internet connection. What is this business about? This is a very unique business model that anyone can do from the comfort of their home, just with your smartphone. This business is about selling internet data. Data is one of the commodities that everyone in the world.
So you can see now, after you are done with this video, click on this ending, delete it off, because you don't want that to show on your video. Now there are other things you can add sound, add music. There are so many beautiful things that you can do. So if you want to add sound, just click on audio, click on sound. You can set sound. It has loads of sound. You can even get sound from TikTok. So it's just telling you that you should. So there are some sounds I like to use. I call them epic, or just type marketing, just type marketing. So you can see loads of beautiful sound here. Let's see. Wow, I guess this is looking beautiful. So although there's going to be a tutorial on how this is done, so let me just add a sound now so that you see, just in case, because it's important you add sound to your video. It's part of the things to add. Marketing, let me just I'm going to take just one of them. So this sound, if you have added it, what you need to do is to click on the sound there and reduce the volume. Click on volume, reduce it. Okay.
Hi, hello guys.
Because the sound doesn't have to be too loud, just have to be a background sound. Make it look really beautiful and look really okay. So I already have sound on this video already because I've edited this video. I just want to show you on how to do it. So I can just I could delete the sound off if I want. So let's just play it and see.
Anyone can do from the comfort of their own.
So this sound is too low, so I click on it. I want to increase it a little.
Hi, hello guys, you're welcome to this tutorial, and in this video
so you can see how it is. You can see how it is. So that is how you can do this. That is how you can do this. So after you have created it, what you need to do, it's this sound is longer, so I want to split it off. So I'll click on the sound here, then click on split, click on split, then delete this off. I'll delete it off. So you can see now. So I'm done. So when you're done, you can save your video. So if you click on this 1080, you can either save at 720p, 1080p, or whichever. So you can even move it to 4K. But as you increase the definition, you are going to get, it's going to take more space. That's the resolution. So I just want to save in this 1080. It's just okay. Then click on it. Since it's a short video, it's going to come out really fast. So that is it. Now you can just, it's already on your gallery. Let's check it. It's already on your gallery, and you can post it now. So you can post it now. Look at it. Let's check it out. So it's already on your gallery, and already you can